Hey, what's up? Here Anna from Craltech. Today I will be explaining a little bit more about 4Craft. 4Craft is a 4K multiview that allows you to control up to 16 3G SDI inputs on a 4K screen or projector. We have three different models. All of them have an HDMI output up to 4K, and the difference between them is that 4Craft 1 have one 3G SDI output, 4Craft Duo have two 3G SDI outputs, and 4Craft Full have four 3G SDI outputs. Also, on 4Craft Full, you can use this connector to connect them in cascade and increase the number of inputs you are going to use. As features on the three models are the same, for today's demo we will be using 4Craft 1. Apart from the 3G SDI inputs and the 3G SDI outputs, we also have a GPIO connector for tallies, USB for updates, Ethernet connector for controlling with our free software and for TSL 5.0, RJ11 for TSL 3.1, the cascade connector for using it in 4Craft Full to make the cascade and have more inputs, LTC for a clock, the audio output, and we have a redundant power supply on all of them as well. 4Craft is a really fast and easy to use system. With our high quality scaler, you can design layouts of up to 64 windows. With 4Craft Full, you could control up to 64 inputs in only one 4K screen or projector. As we are using a 4Craft 1 and we don't have 64 inputs here, for making this layout we used our option Duplicate. Duplicate allows you to copy all the times you want the same signal, the same input. You could also have two different sizes using our Preview option. Preview allows you to have two different sizes of each input. Now I am going to change the layout to explain you a little bit more about the features of the equipment. With software boxes, you can design your layout completely freely by drag and dropping the windows and load them into the equipment and save them. About the features, we have dynamic UMDs and tallies compatible with TSL 5.0 and 3.1, all kind of alarms and markers, audio level meters, up to 2 clocks and 6 timers, and all the professional features a multiviewer should have. And that would be a fast resume of our 4K multiviewer 4Craft. You have all the technical specifications on the website. If you need further assistance, do not hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching!